Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Hey guys, this is an essential oil set from Hiqili, and I'm going to tell you my favorite thing about this in just a second, but first some things you need to know about this. First of all guys, it comes in this box. It's a nice little organized box, keeps things very clutter-free, you don't lose anything. But inside are the essential oils. What it comes with guys is true lavender, sweet orange, peppermint, tea tree, globalist, eucalyptus, and lemongrass. I'm going to open each of these and tell you what I think about each one. So first of all, guys, each bottle is decorated and labeled very well. Each bottle also contains 10 milliliters of essential oil, which is going to give you about 180 drops, which is plenty of oil to last quite a while. This is called True Lavender, and this smells like a very fresh lavender. It smells very good. It's one of the better lavenders that I've smelt. And what this is good for is it's going to promote relaxation and restfulness, and I really like this one. This is globulus eucalyptus, and this just has that classic eucalyptus smell to it. You know, kind of just how it kind of just like rain just fell from the sky, or you're at some zoo somewhere where they have all those eucalyptus trees, and it just smells amazing. And guys, what eucalyptus is good for is it's good for purifying the air and removing odors, and it just smells great, guys. Here we have lemongrass, and lemongrass, it smells like it's like a sweet lemon with a little bit of a spicy hint to it, and it's really great smelling. And I really like lemongrass. It's really good for freshening the air and for soothing skin. And I just like lemongrass. It's one of those classic essential oils, guys. This is sweet orange, and this thing smells just like you cut open an orange, and it smells so good. And what orange is good for is promoting relaxation. And it's pretty much, how can you not be relaxed when you smell this, guys? This is tea tree essential oil, and tea tree, it just smells like so good. It's one of those, I really love tea tree. It's one of my favorite essential oils, actually. It's just, it just has like a very sweet yet musky scent, and it's hard to explain unless you've smelled it before, how to explain what it smells like. But what tea tree is good for is soothing and rejuvenating effects on the skin. This is peppermint essential oil, guys, and this one's also one of my favorite. It is very fresh. It's very light. It has that cooling effect when you breathe it in. It's just one of those oils that's really, it's just a classic, It definitely freshens the air. It's also really great for repelling insects and bugs, so it's very useful as well. Guys, on the back of the box, it also has a lot of different information about dilution and different ways to use these essential oils, and it's just awesome that they give you that. So my favorite thing about this, guys, is the fact that it comes with 6 of the more classic essential oils, where they're all together in one box, where you don't have to go sourcing them from different places trying to find good ones. It comes with 6 of the most popular ones right here, right in this box, and they all smell great. They all smell very powerful, and yeah, I just highly recommend this product, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.